Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today gonna show you how to hard reset your Samsung A40, and this operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or just the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we need to turn off our device. If not, because in the new software phone doesn't want to power off, you need to do the little trick to turn off. Just press and hold volume down and power button. After phone gonna be turned off, fast press and hold volume up and power button together. Just watch me and repeat. Press and hold volume down and power button together, and volume up and power button together. After phone turn off, release power button, still holding volume up. I hope you understand what I'm doing. If not, just repeat and look one more time. Now press volume down without the holding, wipe data factory reset on the option, accept by power. Now one more time down and yes. And now phone gonna be resetting all the data. Now press reboot system now here, and that's it. Phone gonna be start without any password on your phone and with the new brand firmware on it. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.